Hi, have you seen the virtual showing in Zillow? For example, you have a property and you want potential tenants to do a self showing. You can select a particular time, date, and they can pick up by themselves. You can do this through AppFolio. And I'm going to show how we can set virtual showing in AppFolio. So log into AppFolio, go to, next to the name, you have general settings and you have showing settings. In the showing settings, you will have enable virtual showing. So this is the checkbox you have to enable it. This will allow show up in the website's listings. For example, if you allow this, it will show up in Zillow. AppFolio has now integrated with Zillow to show all these settings so that they can self-show it. And similarly, you can have multiple people coming at the same time. So this is an option. For example, you're having an open house. Anybody can schedule during that time. You can allow multiple people at that particular time, or self-showing at multiple times. You can allow this. Similarly, there are more allow same day showing. Do you want to do a same day showing, or you want some time and then schedule it? You can do all those things. Okay, thank you all.